Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 7X, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example using the dialer, find the contact you'd like to customize and tap on it. Now let's tap on this, let's say profile icon, camera icon, just tap on it. And as you can see, we've got two different options to choose from. We can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you. Or you can select the photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. And here we have to decide where we want to complete the section, so we can use the gallery or Google Photos. It is actually the same. I will pick the gallery. And now we have to find the photo we would like to use. So let's tap on it. Right now we have to decide where we want to crop the picture, so we can again use the gallery or Google Photos, and this time I will pick Google Photos. Of course, give all the permissions if they are needed. And as you can see, from this step we can adjust the size of the square, we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area, this highlighted area, is responsible for it. You can also rotate the picture if you want to, it's really up to you. And if you're happy with your choice, with the results, just tap on done. Tap on it. As you can see, it immediately appears right here, so remember to tap on the tick icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to the contact, and it will also appear on the contact list, and you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Honor 7X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.